Well, it's able to record now.
It is?
Yeah, because it's at 4%. Yeah, so he already got the first spark plug, which you saw before my phone decided to quit recording because it was too low battery. And it's already in. Wait, did you already put it in?
Mm-mm.
Oh, no, there it is.
Right here, my guys. My our people, no, Yogi's peoples. So, I got the NGK Ruthenium spark plugs. So, yeah.
4-pack.
4-pack. And then go ahead and install them now.
We only need a 4-pack. And it's the 2000 Toyota Celica GT, so the spark plug gap is 0.044.
And
make sure you have it on Titan too, Chris. Good thing I said something. Golly. And once you feel it getting tight, you know to not tighten it any further.
yeah.
Because of the crush washer type of thing on those. How the frick did I manage to cut my finger? You know? And they're literally blood traces from the finger I cut on my middle finger. Is it tight now?
Yeah, now it is. Oh.
It's good enough. And check the other three. And then we can put the coil packs in and start it up.
I've never done coil packs, so I know it's easy, but this
yeah,
is...
it's easy. Oh, we didn't even get that grease for the spark plugs. You remember? You remember how the guy mentioned that last?
Uh-huh.
Well, damn. It'll be a fun time getting them out next time. It is what it is.
I thought we had some.
No, I think we don't.
We don't?
Because we never put that crap on them. At least Dad never does. You know? We usually just drop them straight in. It'll make it hard to get them out, but who cares? Too late.
Yeah.
Literally right as you after you get the first one in is when I think about that. Make sure you don't lose that crush washer when you drop them in. You know?
Yeah.
You haven't seen one of them fall off yet?
Uh-uh.
Okay, good. Otherwise we'd be screwed. Because then it'll go in even deeper. That's what she said. God! I'm happy it's Friday. And then get 2 days off, and back to a 5-day work week.
Mm-hmm.
And I only get 6 holidays off. National holidays. 6 national holidays off, and then Black Friday off, which is not national. This is going to be a very long video.
That first one I had space to like fully crank it around, but now I don't.
Yeah, you're not. It's going to get tighter and tighter as you go.
Bruh, spark plug was still attached to the freaking...
Socket.
Uh-huh.
We'll find that paste up sometime.
We don't have a shorter ratchet?
No, not that I know of.
We don't.
Unless we may have one in another tool, and another one where that is paying about 50 on that one job. That's not gonna work, that's way too long.
But I could.
Yeah.
I could bend it so I can.
Yeah. You need spark plugs, man, buddy.
Oh, you're right.
Sometimes Big Brother is not as so smart as a head as a little brother. Golly, this is gonna be a long video involving all the clips. Oh, jeez. I'm not looking forward to seeing how long you cut the tape up with this fashion. I may start it first thing in the morning and just let it run while I'm at work. Yes, indeed, it was out of this tool set. The one and only ratchet we used. Just gotta remember, those extensions are mine, the ratchet studs.
Okay. Dennis, so this socket wrench is also yours? I mean, the spark plug socket?
Yeah.
Nice.
Dude, I have that spark. What size did it say on that spark plug socket?
I think 1/4. No, 5/8. 5/8.
And then I have a 3/8 spark plug socket too.
Nice.
I forgot. Dude, I have so many sockets and so many of them that are.
I can throw away everything, right? Like the spark plug wires and everything.
Like, I have so many I have like some of the sockets of the same size for a bunch of the sockets. Wait, let me leave this open because I can't remember which. If it was from this set or the other set. For my extensions. Did I know? Wait, did you put that one extension back from the set you bought me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think the other two extensions were one was for this set, one was for that set. No, not for that set, but the one other set.
Alright guys, the last spark plug is going in and then install the coil packs. Should we put an ANTC's lubricant on the coil pack so it doesn't do that stuff?
Yeah, we have some. If we have some, I don't know. What, just rechecking them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's go and do coil packs now.
Mm-hmm. And then would you like to take your viewers on a joyride with us for a little quick drive around?
Yeah, we can.
Alright guys, now
let's take a good long joyride and make sure that check engine light doesn't show up. Well, check engine light will still show up no matter what.
you have to... Oh, thank you, Yogi.
And it's already unlocked. Because I think I forgot to lock it when I was at work. I had it unlocked most of the day. Luckily that thing didn't come out undone to where they didn't cut me at work.
Yeah. Thank you, Yogi.
You're welcome. Every day I make sure I have my pepper spray popped in my Fendi too.
Well, you know what, you're right, because Hodge twins are monetized and they be cursing up a storm.
Yeah,
I mean, they bleep it out, though. Or they try to.
I have like 237 subscribers, I think.
Yeah, 237?
And I have like, I forgot how many views I have quite a bit.
Yes, sir.
I think it was like 83 or 84,000, something like that.
And then just wait, guys. I'm sure Yogi's already told you, but we're going to try to... Not going to try. We're going to reinstall GTA 5 on the PS5. And we also have a PS4, so, you know, we can play together. Huh?
Can you not open it? Give me the box. This freaking dummy.
No, I was just talking, so I wasn't trying to open it.
Gosh.
Alright. Let's compare them to the original ones.
Yeah.
Dang, you say NGK on the top. Oh, stock coil packs are denso.
Which is decent, right?
Is that okay? This thing comes out a bit, but this one doesn't. Think that's okay?
Yeah, it should be. It's not much of a difference.
Okay.
Check it against all the other ones, just in case. Should be okay, because I mean it's a GK.
Yeah.
And plus it's meant for your car, so. Or if you want, I can go get a dang part number for those NGKs, make sure they're the right ones. They should be.
Yep. They all look the same. Where you put the the bolts are right there.
Let me help you clip them in and cut. You got it?
I got it. You gonna tighten them down while I do this?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I just farted again.
By the way, here's your extensions and stuff. trucker.
Wait, where did I put my freaking packet?
That's fine.
You know what I'm talking about.
This one? Do you have another ratchet so you can tighten two, I tighten two?
I mean, I can do it all if you want. Don't mind.
What size
It's a 10.
10?
The elusive 10.
Two bros chilling in the garage. Real close together because we're brothers and we're not gay for each other. You getting it?
Uh-huh.
Boom shakalaka, guys. Joji, the car guy, and Booyah. We put a new spark plug, new coil packs, and we reinstalled my muffler. Say a successful night of working on the vehicle.
that one better. Don't know what's going on with that.
I think I got it. Yep. Boom. Alright guys. We're done installing everything. After a long process. We got it done though. That's the main thing. We got it done. Here you go, Yogi. I'm gonna throw away the old coal packs now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do I need to use Dad's OD2 scanner to erase codes?
No.
No. Yeah. How do you have to do that, or it just stays?
There's a way to do it through Dad. It's just like I really don't know because I don't have really experience with Dad.
I'll see you in oh yeah. Shout out to Fixed FIXD. Great OBD2 sensor if you want to get one for your car.
Scanner, dude.
Scanner.
You said sensor.
I did say sensor. Yeah, OBD2 scanner. It'll tell you what the check engine light's for and what parts or what the different parts you could possibly need to replace and stuff. So yeah, guys. Shout out to Fix for that. I really appreciate them. They got a lot of cool like live stats and stuff you can pull it to while you're driving and stuff. So yeah. But yeah, after this we're gonna go for a little test drive, see how it goes. My car's gonna be quiet again, so I can drive around town and not wake up everybody or cause disturbance to the peace. Alright guys. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Yogi. Oh, you want me to enter? Well,
Keep it rolling.
okay.
Something that can tend up to which tools that it came from and whatnot. What percent? Well, I didn't even check it. Because always I won't.
Yogi, the car guy, putting up all of his tools. Yeah.
Let's get all the tools in the garage up. Like the jack and jack stands. Get the jack stands up. Get everything over. I don't even care if it's falling still. Did you turn my Wi-Fi on?
I didn't mean to.
Is the video still rolling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Yeah, I don't care if it's rolling or not right now.
Alright.
Everything's good over here.
We're gonna clean things up and then we'll be right back, guys.